Okay, so let's talk through the trade management of the chart on the previous page. So how would you manage this trade? We've got the entry as indicated, and the rules for this trade is that the stop is placed at the previous pivot low. The break even is when the risk reward is 1-to-1, and the target is a 5-to-1 risk reward. So let's go through the questions. Where would you place your stop? You may want to pause the video at each point and figure out the answer before restarting the video. So our stop needs to be placed at the previous pivot low. So looking at this area here before entry, we want to try and find where the previous pivot low is. So looking at each bar here, we are not seeing any pivot lows so far. What about this low right here of this bar? Let's take a closer look at it. We've got a higher low to the right, and we've got a higher low to the left. Therefore, this low is a pivot low. So our stop should be placed below this low. Now our break even is when the risk reward is 1-to-1. So to determine where we have a 1-to-1 risk reward in profit, we first look at the distance from the entry to the stop. We are looking for the exact same distance in profit for our trade to be at a 1-to-1 risk reward. So therefore we will move our stop to break even, meaning that we will move our stop from our original stop position to our entry price here when price reaches this point. Now where would you exit your trade? We will exit at this price here, because what we are looking for is a target of 5-to-1 in risk reward. Therefore what we're saying is the risk is this distance here. We are looking for a profit of 5 times this distance here in order for us to exit. So from our entry going up, we would like 5 times this distance marked out here. So extending our entry line to here, we are looking for this distance right here up to this point here, which is our exit point, which is 5 times the distance of our entry to our stop. So what is our risk reward in this trade when we exit here? 5-to-1, of course, because our target is at a 5-to-1 risk reward. Therefore our risk reward at the end of this trade is 5-to-1. Okay, I hope you got that all right, and if not, I hope my explanation clarified any confusion you may have with trade management. So if you could please continue on to the next page, we'll go through another example.